Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you how we can create these beautiful flowers. For this one I am taking this foamy sheet of the paper that's pinkish in color, then trimming down the stripe of the paper, then making some 3 strips and building a braid out of it that's usually made for our hairstyles, and then you can fix the ends together with the help of the hot glue gun. From the top portion you just have to fold it. That's clearly apparent on your screens. As you can see, this beautiful rose shape is created, and at last again fixing them properly with the hot glue gun. Now you just have to take and cut down these sepal portions, or we can say leaves portion, with the help of the scissors, and using the glue you just have to fix them properly. It looks so nice. Let's now move further towards our another activity. You can see how we are taking this simple sheet of the paper and folding it as apparent on your screens. We have repeated the same for the other three, and using the rubber band we are folding them at the center and holding them properly, and you just have to open the each sepal as apparent on your screens. One after the another we are repeating the same process till this flower is complete. Now with the help of this toothpick we are just giving the curvier look so that it will look more natural. Now it's time to make some of the leaves. For that we are taking this green sheet of the paper, folding it at the center. We are making a folding stick. Now the rest of the portion is attached using the glue gun. This looks so nice and easy. For this one you just have to take this toilet paper and you just have to trim it down according to the length as apparent on your screens. After that you just have to fold it from the corners as shown here. From the topmost area with the help of the fingers you just have to go on folding and folding until you have completed the whole length. Once you're done with it, now it's the easiest work. You just have to roll it down very carefully with the help of your fingers and the hands. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is the easiest of all, and we are just giving it some of the blush of the rose so that it will look some natural. Let's move further with our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create these tulips. For this one I am taking this colorful sheet of the paper, trimming it down somewhat similar to that of the fish shape. After that, one after the another, with the help of the simple glue I am just fixing them properly as apparent on your screens. Once you are done with it, you just have to make the stalk portion, and for that I am taking this green stick, and now you just have to fix them properly over it. This is the easiest of all. Definitely give this one a try. It's best suitable for the small kids and it's very less time consuming activity. Don't forget to make the flowers leaves as well. Let's move further. Try to make these lavenders. For this one you just have to take this purple sheet of the paper. You can find out the similar light lavender color, but I had this purple one, so I'm using this one. You can see how I have created some of the cuts at the center, and with the help of this green stalk you just have to fix it and roll it properly over this. It is so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. From the lower portion you can see how beautiful this turns to be. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here we are making these colorful flowers. For this one I have cut it down already the circle shape of this blue sheet of the paper, and after that I'm folding it at the center, then creating some of the more folds. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. With the help of the double-sided tape I'm fixing them properly one after another, because by following the same process I have made so many petals together, and now it's time to fix them properly. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is easiest of all, best suitable for small kids. Thank you for watching.